Good morning, students. Today we are going to do self practice 8C. Self practice 8C में the question 1 is write the decimal numeral. Decimal numeral में you have to write it. Means the answer will be in decimal. So question number A is 7,000. 7,000. Now see, how can you write? First number is 7. So 7 will be a numerator, and next is thousands. Here THS is written. So when THS is written, it will be a denominator. So what is a denominator? 1000 is a denominator. So 1000 is a denominator. This is a fraction form, but you have to write the decimal numeral. The decimal numeral may you will convert this fraction 7 by 1000. So denominator में there are 3 0. So we will write after decimal 3 digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, and this 7. This 7 is a decimal form. This is a decimal form, and this is a decimal. Decimal cannot written be alone, so we will put 0 here. So answer is 0.007. Now the question B is 36,000. 36,000. Now first we will convert it into fraction. Here it is written 36. So 36 will be a numerator, and again here it is thousands. THS is written. So it will be a denominator. What will be a denominator? 1000. So 1000 will be a denominator. This is a fraction form. This fraction form ko you have to convert it into decimal. The denominator mein there are 3 0. So we have to put 3 digits after the decimal. Here is a decimal, but in the numerator there are 2 digits, so we will put 1 0 before the digits. So before digit it's 0, and after that 3 6. 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit. But decimal, here is a decimal, it cannot be written alone, so we will write 0 before this. So the answer is 0.036. Now, next question is question number C is 257,000. 257 thousands. Again here. Here it is written 257. This number we will write in a numerator. The 257 will be written in a numerator. And denominator में here it is THS. So this is a denominator. What is denominator? 1000. So 1 0 0 0. 1000 will be a denominator. Now convert it into decimal. Denominator में there are three zeros. So after decimal there will be 3 digits. So already in the numerator there are 3 digits. So not need to add the 0 before the digits. So here 0.257. Here already 3 digits are given, but point cannot be written alone, so we will put 0 before the point. So the answer is 0.257. Now next question is question number D is 11 and 6,000. 11 and 6,000. See here it is written 11 and before and it is written 11. Before and it is written 11. So 11 will be a whole number. And after that here it is written 6. So 6 will be a numerator. And thousands में again THS is written, so 1000 will be a denominator. This is a fraction form. Fraction form ko we have to convert it into decimal. See here 11 is a whole number, so 11 will be written before the point. 6 is a numerator, so it will be written after the point, but in the denominator there are 3 0, so 6 ko we have to make it 3 digits because denominator mein there are 3 0. So how can you make it? By putting the 0 before the digit. So here we will put 0 0 6. See, after point there are 3 digits, so this is a answer 11.006. Now question number E is 72 and 68 thousands. Here see again, here it is written and, before and it is written 72, so 72 will be a whole number, and here it is written 1000, before 1000 it is written 68, so 68 will be a numerator, and again thousands mein there are THS, so it will be a denominator, so 1000 will be a denominator. So convert it into decimal. 72 is a whole number, so 72 will be written before the point, and after point we will write 68, but denominator mein 30, so we have to make it 3 digits by adding 0 before the numerator. So 0 6 8, this is your answer. Now question number F is your homework. Now see the second question. The second question is write the whole number and the decimal fraction in each measure given below. You have to write the whole number and the decimal fraction in each of the measure given below. See here, the question number 2 is done for you. 1 inches is equal to 2.54 centimeter. So before point it is written 2, so 2 is a whole number. See here it is written, and after point it is written 54. So 54 is a fraction. 0.54 is a fraction. Point cannot be written alone, so here it is 0. So the decimal portion is, or the decimal fraction is 0.54. Same way we will do question number 1. See, 4.1 gallon is equal to 4.546 liters. So whole number, the number which is written before the point, before point it is written 4, so 4 is a whole number, and after point it is written 546, so we will write 0.546, but point cannot be written alone, so we will put 0 here. Next, 1 yard is equal to 0.914. Before point it is 0, so 0 will be a whole number, and after point it is written 0.914. Point cannot be written alone, so we will put 0 here. Next, 1 kilometer is equal to 0.001 meter. Again, point ke pehle 0, so 0 will be a whole number. After point it is written 0.001. After point it is written 001, but we have already put 0 here. So now the next question number 3 is question number 1 mein F is your homework. You do by yourself. Question number 3 is write the fraction, write in words. The question is given in decimal. You have to write in words. So question number A is 0.007. Now see here. Before point it is written 0, so not need to write. After point 007. After point we will read this is tenth, this is 100, this is thousands. So how many thousand? 7 thousands. 7, we will write in a word, 7 thousands. THOUSAND, thousand. Now here after point we are writing the words. So thousand may we will put THS. After point whatever you will write, you will add THS. So the in words it is 7 thousands. Next is question number B is 0.048. Now again here before point it is 0, so not need to write this. After point it is 0.48. After point we will read tenth, hundredth, thousand. So how many thousand? 48 thousands. 48 thousands. 48,000. THS we will write because we are writing after the decimal. Now question number C is 0.756. Before point it is 0, so not need to write this. We will write 756 coin words, but 756 is after point. So you can write how many digits are there? 3 digits. So we will write this is tenth, this is hundredth, this is thousands. So 756 thousands. 756 thousands. THS again because we are writing after the decimal. Now question number D is 4.008. Now see here. Here it is written 4 before the point. Here is a point. This is a 4. So we will write before point it is 4. So first we will write 4. After that we will write and. The number is written before the point is 4. So after writing 4 in words, we will write and. After that, this is 10th place, this is 100th place, this is thousands place. So how many thousands? 8,000. 4 and 8 thousands. 4 and 8 thousands. Now, question number E is 600.081. See again here. Here is a decimal. Before decimal it's 600. So we will write 600 first. 600 we have written. After that we will put and. We will write and. After that decimal. This is 10th, this is 100th, this is 1000. How many thousand? 81 thousands. 81 thousands. 81 thousands. Now next question, we are going to do question number H. F and G is homework. So I am skipping this question. You do by yourself. Now question number H में what is a question? Question is 3068.389. 3068 is written before the point. So we will write this first. 3068. 3068. This is written before the point, so we have written in words. After that we will move after the number, after the point what it is written. So after that we will put and, or we will write and here. After writing and, we will write the number which is written after the point. So here 386. 3 3 is in 10th place, 8 is in 100 place, and 9 is in thousands place. So how many thousand? 389 thousands. 389 thousands. So when the digits are given before the point, first we will write that number in words. After that, we will write and. After that, we will write the numbers which is written after the point. Is it clear now? So do all your sums in your maths classwork copy.